In this video, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your Instagram video. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram and let's start with Instagram Stories. I'll go in my profile, tap on my profile icon, and here I can see who exactly viewed my story. Here at the bottom left I see the activity, and if I tap here it can be on photo or on video. Here I can see who exactly viewed that story. Here I can see the exact number of viewers, and there is their Instagram accounts. I can tap on that, I can look who watched my story, and that's all about Instagram stories. So what about video in posts? You can't exactly look who viewed your video. If you tap on video, you see here how many people liked that video, and if you tap on number of likes, here you will see a list of people that liked your video. So these people for sure viewed this video. I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.